Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make macaroni and cheese in the microwave pressure cooker from Tupperware. So simple and easy. Let's go. So here's the locking lid. You take this up, twist around. Now it's open. Here is the little lever, the pressure level that you'll work with. Okay, and the first thing the recipe says is place macaroni. I've already pre-measured those, so this video doesn't take forever. Place the macaroni. 2 cups of chicken broth. That was 2.5 cups of macaroni. There we go. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now it calls for 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. So I mix those together. Tux, be quiet. Okay, now it wants me to stir it. Huh? So we're gonna stir it here. As you heard my husband come in and say, sorry honey, that's okay, you know, life is life. Okay, I'm gonna stir it all together here. Try to show you the inside. That's what it looks like. All right, I'm going to put the lid back on. Twist it until you find where it locks. Okay, you want to make sure it's turned until it clicks, and then you push down the lock. So we're going to put this in the microwave. It says for 100% power for 10 minutes, and then I'll get back to you.